Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping both the cake surface and your chocolate. Start melting chopped chocolate in a double boiler or microwave in 20-30 second bursts. Stir to keep temperature steady and avoid seizing. Once melted, test a small spoonful on a plate to check flow and gloss. If too thick, add 1/2 teaspoon of neutral oil or warm cream and stir. Make sure to keep water away. Steam or splash will ruin the texture, so dry tools are essential. Once your chocolate reaches the right consistency, you move to application and shaping. Pour ganache or glaze from the center and nudge outward with an offset spatula for a smooth finish, or fill a piping bag for ribbons and dots. For drips, tilt the cake slightly and let gravity do the work. Test one drip first. If making shapes, pour onto acetate or parchment and chill briefly to set. Work in short bursts, so the chocolate stays workable, yet begins firming as you finish. You finish by letting the decoration set, chilling briefly until firm, then resting at room temperature to prevent condensation before display. If the surface dulls or blooms, gently reheat a thin layer or retemper and recoat to restore shine. This matters because tempering aligns cocoa butter crystals for snap. If chocolate seizes, don't waste it. Stir in warm cream gradually to make a ganache, or start small tempered batches to patch areas. Finally, inspect edges and clean with a warm knife for crisp lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.